Hola, and welcome to the Freebie Kids of Texas channel.
Today we're making something from Arizona. Do you know what the capital of Arizona is?
No.
Yes, Phoenix.
I don't know where it is. You have to drive all the way to it, and it's long to drive to
I'll
it.
show you where it is.
Oh, you go.
Arizona is located right here, and here's a better look of the shape of the state. Our recipe comes from the Cookbook, United Tastes of America, by Guacamole Langhorns. Get your lime, garlic, and onions.
Don't forget your avocados.
And some cilantro. Because we're making guacamole. Did you know there is a castle in Arizona? Oh wow, I did not.
I'm not evil because I don't know how to get it out.
It's Montezuma's castle, and it's in the desert. There's a lot of desert there and a lot of cacti. Did you know you could eat cacti? Oh.
They make the yummiest flour tortillas.
They're known for the Grand Canyon and beautiful golf courses and hiking trails.
And they have a monster now. It's the Gila monster.
They have roadrunners and prairie dogs and rattlesnakes and kissing bugs.
Kissing bugs. That sounds so silly.
In a bowl, we need 3 tablespoons lime juice. We need 1 minced garlic clove.
We need 4 cup chopped onion. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes.
Add 1 small jalapeno pepper, only if you want to. Well, Daddy doesn't like jalapenos, so we're skipping it. You need 3 ripe avocados, peeled, pitted, and chopped. A 4th cup chopped cilantro.
Take a fork and mess it all up.
Add salt if you need to. This is what it should look like. Ta-da! If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Be good!
Be good.
Love you!
Love you. And we're done.
Woo!
Get that chicken.
That was hilarious. I love it. It's pretty good. I like it. Me too.
Yummy!